It's a rare day off in the recording studio here at JAM Advertising and Productions today, as we have a day that's not scheduled for any actors as we continue with the ADR recording for The Unkind. So that'll give us some time here to do some, booth cleaning. Really got to come in here and vacuum and disinfect. Get everything in here all done up, cleaned up, ready for our next session on Wednesday. And today I'll start working on going through the vast amounts of playlist clips for each one of these actors. I mean, I think at our lowest amount we were probably looking at about 230 takes. Some of the actors are well beyond that, so I'll start filtering through those and selecting the best takes for the ADR project before that gets shoveled off to the mix studio in London, so we can work at getting the final project out, finished, and to start recording The Unkind 2. Bum, 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 bum. Have a good day, folks.